Yes, students, today I'll give some MCQ of chapter 1. So, question number 1, MCQ multiple choice question. When you are given a question here and you will be given here 4 options. For example, this one I have given here -1 into -1 into -1 into dot twice n times. It may be given n is any positive integer. Now, if n is any positive integer, then twice n is always even. Twice n is always even number. Therefore, -1 into -1 into -1. How many times? Maybe 4 times, 2 times, 4 times, 6 times, 8 times means even number. If you multiply -1 even times, even number times, then minus minus plus, plus minus minus again plus, means when you multiply 2 minus 1 become plus, 4 minus 1 become plus, 5 or 6 minus 1 become plus. So if number is even, then answer will be plus. So you are given 4 options here: -1, +1 and none of these. So answer will be 2, 1. Answer will be positive. If it is even, then it will be positive. If it is odd, twice n plus 1, twice n plus 1, then it will be odd. Then it will be -1. Answer is 2, 1. This is answer 1. Now see this question, question number 2. -1 into -1 into -1 twice m plus 1 time. -1 into -1 into -1 into twice m plus 1 times. Twice m plus 1 times means what? It is odd number. M is any positive integers. Maybe given this one, M is any positive integers. Twice M plus 1 is odd number. When you multiply -1 into -1 into -1 odd number times, then it will be negative only. Options are given -1, twice M, 1, none of these. Answer will be -1. If it is odd number of -1, if you multiply, then answer will be -1. Now evaluate. -81 divided by -3, -27 equal what? You are given 4 options: 27, 54, 0, none of these. So question is what? -81 divided by -3, -27. -81 divided by -3, -27. -81 by -3, minus minus cancel. 3 27s are 81. 3 2s are 6. 21. 3 7s are 21. 27 minus 27. 27 minus 27 equal 1 or 0. This is 0. Therefore answer is 0. So option is what? 3. Option is 3. Now see here. 2 into 0 plus 2 divided by 0 is equal to 0, not defined, 4, none of these. 2 into 0 equals 0 and 2 by 0. 2 into 0 equals 0. Ultimately we will get 2 by 0. 2 by 0 is undefined. If denominator of a fraction is 0, then it will be undefined. Means denominator of a fraction cannot be 0. If you write 0, then it will be undefined. You cannot define it. Now come to the question number 5. Difference between x and y. Difference between x and y means x minus y. I am showing here. Difference between x and y means x minus y will be negative if x greater than 0 or x greater than y, y greater than x, x equal y equal x, and none of this. Now you remember it. When x minus y will be negative, when x less than 0, x greater than 0 or y greater than 0. When equal 0, it will not be negative. X and y are equal, then it will be 0. X equal y, therefore same minus same equal, equal minus equal 0. So to be negative, y is here, negative sign is there before y. Therefore, it becomes negative if y is greater than x. If y is greater than x, I am giving one example. Suppose x equal 5, y equal 3. Then 5 minus 3 equal 2, positive. Because x is greater. X is greater. Therefore, it becomes positive. If y is greater, then it will be negative. Now, so remember it. It will be negative if y greater than 0. Example that suppose y is 5, x is 3. 3 minus 5 equal minus 2. So it will be negative. That's why you remember it. If y is greater, then it will be negative. That's why answer is option is y greater than x. 2. Option is 2. Y greater than x. Now, a closure property of addition of two numbers 5 and 6 represented by, see here, the closure property of addition of two integers 5 and 6 represented by which one closure property? 5 plus 4, 5 plus 6 equals 6 plus 5. Is it closure property? No, it is commutative property. If 5 plus 4 equals 6 plus 5, it is commutative property. Now, if you change the order, then it will be commutative property. Now, 5 plus 6 equal 1. It is not possible only. It is not possible. So, and here 5 minus 6 equal minus 1. 5 minus 6 equal minus 1 is minus 1. 5 minus 6 equal minus 1. But you see, 5 also integer, 6 also integer, and minus 1 also integer. Therefore, if you subtract two integer, their result is also integer. If you subtract one integer from another integer, then result is also integer. So it is called closure property. It is called closure property. And another option is there, none of this. Oh, closure property of addition. So closure property of addition I have written here. So you remember it. So I have written here 1 only. So it should be 11. So 5 plus 6 equal 11. That is the closure property of addition. But it will be closure property of subtraction. It will be closure property of subtraction. But it should be 11. 5 plus 6 equal 11. 5 also integer number, 6 also integer number, and 11 also integer number. Therefore what? 5 plus 6 equal 11. 11 also integer. If sum of two integer is also integer, that is called closure property of addition. But 5 minus 6 equal minus 1. This is closure property of subtraction. Means if you subtract two integers, then you will get an integer. This is closure property of subtraction. But here mentioned closure property of addition. So 6 plus 5, it is not 1, it is 11. It is not clear, 11. So it is 11. So 5 plus 6 equal 11. So it is called closure property of addition. So that you remember it.